How to fix live option missing on TikTok. So if you want to fix if the live option is actually missing on TikTok, now this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First of all, it could be an application glitch as well. So in that case, you want to make sure to restart the app or also update the app to the latest version to make sure that's not the case. Now if you also do not see the live feature over here, it simply also means that you're not eligible. Now on TikTok, how it works is that not everybody is eligible for the live feature. Only once you've crossed a certain amount of followers, which in TikTok's case is 1000 followers, only then you'll be able to enable the live option. So if you do not have over 1000 followers, then you will not be able to see the live option on TikTok. So I hope that this video helped to inform you about the guidelines of the live videos. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.